Inspector Jamshed is based on the novels by the Pakistani author Ishtiaq Ahmed.
I have yet to come across a project something like this in which you have the entire globe coming together, really, from different walks of life, different regions, nationalities, and accents, and everything coming together to present to you what the world really is.
So this is a very interesting retelling, reimagination of the Inspector Jamshed.
A lot of stunt, a lot of action scenes.
We've been through a hard time.
This is something the region hasn't seen before.
We're still alive, still surviving.
All those people who were avid readers of literature, they're going to come back to cinema. This is an invitation for them.
Our roots are connected to the Urdu fiction that was written by Ishtiaq Ahmed. And I wish, more than the economics, if we are able to create another Ishtiaq Ahmed from Pakistan, it would be a great success story, at least for us.
I just hope that everyone, whoever watches the movie, just leaves the cinema with a smile.
The war is coming.